Before we talk about damage, before we talk about numbers, before we talk about effects, we need to answer one question. Did a hit actually occur? If your combat system feels inconsistent, exploitable, or random, the problem isn't your damage math, it's where the truth lives. In the previous series, we designed a targeting system with one rule. The client expresses intent, the server decides truth. That rule does not change here. Targeting chooses who. Hit detection decides if. Damage comes later. Hit detection is not damage. It does not change health, it does not apply cooldowns, it does not trigger effects. Hit detection has exactly one job. Confirm that a valid hit occurred once, nothing more. Here's the setup to test the system in Studio. Add an NPC to the base plate, and to that NPC, add a standard part, which is just in here, and all I've done is anchor it, but it's a part of the actual model. I renamed it to enemy target, and most importantly, down the bottom here in tags, tag the enemy model with the tag target. And that's all we need to do to test the system. First, I click the ground. Nothing happens. If I click myself or the sky, nothing happens. No hit is confirmed, no damage is applied. The server rejects it immediately. That's not a bug, that's the system working. Client intent does not equal server truth. Now I click a valid target, the debug part in the enemy NPC. The client sends intent. The server validates timing, target, and ownership. And the server confirms a hit. Notice something important. The NPC does not take damage. That's intentional. Hit detection is a gatekeeper, not an effect. Its job is to decide what happens. Its job is to decide whether something happened at all. Right now, I've deliberately made the client misbehave. It's sending multiple hit intents for the same swing. Notice that the server still only confirms one hit. This is why hit detection must live on the server. Now I click again rapidly. The server rejects the duplicate. Same ability, same target, same window. Only one hit is allowed. This is where most combat systems fail. A hit is an event, not a loop. This system also supports hit windows. Not frame checks, not animation-dependent logic. The server simply asks, did this hit occur within a valid time window? Too early? Rejected. Too late? Rejected. Valid window confirmed. Right now, this system does almost nothing visually, and that's the point. If I delete my entire damage system, this hit detection is still correct. That's how you know the architecture is sound. In the next video, we'll take these confirmed hits and decide what actually happens because of them. Damage, scaling, cooldowns. But all of that builds on what you see here. Truth first, consequences second. Good combat systems don't feel random, they feel intentional. And that starts by putting truth in exactly one place, the server. If you found the video useful, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.